If you've been to Thai restaurants, you may have seen this table sauce is put out there on every table. If not, it is one condiment you should try. Kind of like salt and pepper in the West, to enhance the flavors of every dish, and how to make it really simple and easy. So let's make it. Prik nam pla. For ingredients, we need a lime, a couple cloves of garlic, and a few Thai chilies. You can use bird's eye chilies if you want it more spicy, but I think these are already spicy enough. I'm using both red and green. The red chilies give more spicy flavor, and the green give more spicy essence, also more colorful. You can use only red or only green, not a big deal, up to you. Sugar and fish sauce, that's all. So we're gonna squeeze out some lime juice. For this sauce, actually you can also add some shallots if you want, for more fragrance. Or can just keep it as simple as chilies and fish sauce, since prik means chilies in Thai and nam pla means fish sauce. We add more elements to blend it not to be too sharp salty and sharp spicy. We're making it like restaurant's version today. The amount of lime juice and fish sauce depends on how much you want to add. For the perfect taste, how many tablespoons lime juice you add, double up the fish sauce. Chop the chilies. I'm gonna put the whole thing. You can reduce the spice by soaking the chopped chilies in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the seeds fall down and the water dilutes the spice. Slice the garlic thinly. This is a small technique to keep the chili colors bright, because once you put everything in for a while, the chilies can go darker colors. We're gonna soak them in lime juice for about a minute. Normally I don't measure, but to make it easy to follow, I'm measuring. So I have 2 tablespoons and a little bit lime juice here. Mix the chilies and garlic in the lime juice and leave it for a minute. After that, double up the fish sauce, so 4 tablespoons fish sauce, but don't need to go too serious with the amount really. You want less salty, add a little less. You want more salty, add a little more. Simple as that. Everyone likes it differently, but the main flavors should be salty and a little spicy. And to smooth everything, put a half teaspoon sugar. Some people might put monosodium glutamate or MSG, but I'll go for sugar. Now just mix it up until sugar melts. And that's it, easy peasy. You can keep in a container with a lid in the fridge for about a week, but better making it fresh and a little bit by bit at a time. Now you have your prik nam pla to go on top of any Thai food. Today, let's see another way to make Thai seafood dipping sauce, which doesn't always have to dip with seafood. As you can see, I even dipped with pork and chicken. I used to make this sauce video before and was asked if I can make another one without fish sauce. So if you're allergic to shellfish or don't consume fish sauce for any reason, this recipe is the one you should try. Starting with ingredients. We need chilies. Can be either cayenne or bird's eye chilies, or you can mix both like me. Bird's eye for the sharpness of spice and cayenne gives more spice aroma. Both are pretty spicy, so use as much as you need. Garlic, coriander. I'm using a couple roots as well, but if you don't have the roots, just the stems and leaves are totally fine. Palm sugar. This one is soft, kind of like paste somehow. The very common type we use in Thailand. If you have the hard ones, like this, just slice thinly before using so it's dissolved easily. You can use brown sugar or syrup instead as well for a substitute. Then we need lime juice. warm water. And salt. Alright, good to go. Let's do it. First, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon palm sugar. Then follow with 1/3 cup warm water to help dissolve the palm sugar. Keep stirring until it melts. Then 4 tablespoons lime juice. 2 teaspoons of salt. A cup of coriander. 5 cloves garlic. And chilies as you like. All chilies you see is the amount I normally put, but if you are not so sure with the spice level, do this. Add a little bit first, and then blend, and then taste. You can always add more if it's not spicy enough. It's way more difficult trying to reduce the spice once added too much. And this way, you can separate portions if there are people with different spice levels. And here we go. Not so many red color, but do not underestimate its spice. And ready to serve. And I'm just gonna garnish with a little coriander leaf here, which doesn't make it look any different. Anyway, if you like this video, boop me a thumb up. I'd really appreciate that. Any question, you can always drop in the comment. 1 dipping sauce that goes with any type of barbecue. Isn't it great? In Thailand, no matter what type of barbecue, beef, pork, chicken, you're gonna see these sauces being served with Nam Jim Jiao or spicy barbecue dipping sauce. Let's see the ingredients. Tamarind. I love using the chunk like this and dissolve with hot water, but you can also use tamarind paste, and if you don't use tamarind, there's another version of Nam Jim Jiao you can make without tamarind, and the link is in description if you want to check it out later. A bit lime juice, red onion or can also be shallots, coriander and green onion. Fish sauce, chili powder, palm sugar, and cannot miss this one, ground toasted rice. You can make it easily at home. I also put the link how to make it in the description. Alright, now let's make it. So we're gonna get the juice out of this tamarind by adding hot water a little bit. And use the spoon to break and stir to get the tamarind juice. We're gonna need about 2 tablespoons for this recipe. I'm gonna rest it here and let hot water do the job to soften the meat around the seeds. And during that, let's prepare something else. Chop or slice the red onion as how you like. I'm gonna be using around 2 tablespoons of it. And the green onion. Coriander. We use both leaves and stems, just chop roughly. Then take out the tamarind seeds. Add 1 tablespoon lime juice. 3 tablespoons fish sauce. tablespoons palm sugar. As you can see, the one I have looks soft like paste. If you have the hard ones like this, thinly sliced before putting, so it's dissolved easily. And give it a good stir until the palm sugar melts. If you don't have palm sugar, brown or cane sugar would be okay as well. Then chili powder for 1 tablespoon, or it depends on how much spicy you want. If you're not so sure yet, just add a little bit by bit and keep tasting until it's right for you. And 1 tablespoon of ground toasted rice. And mix it up. Add the green onion, red onion, and coriander. Give it a stir again. And now it's time for this, my most favorite time. Barbecue time. If you're a big barbecue lover like me, let me know by hitting the thumb up. And what you're seeing right now is crying tiger beef or เสือร้องไห้ along with other types of Thai style barbecue marinade, which of course I will share how to marinate crying tiger beef to you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it and subscribe for more recipes from Pam. Wish you a spicy day. See you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ